Everybody, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Today we will define chia seeds, explanation, benefits, and how to use them right. Let's talk about what the actual benefits of chia seeds are. Now, when we are talking about omega-3, it is claimed to be good for the heart. It thins the blood, and for that reason fish is recommended, specifically oily fish, because they have an incredibly high level of omega-3. So now the question is, chia seeds have more omega-3 than fish, as claimed by individuals. So what is the difference? Well, the type of omega-3 found in chia seeds is not the active form, which is considered anti-inflammatory. The active omega-3, the one our body can actually use, is called DHA. But the type found in chia seeds is called ALA. Yes, it's true that chia seeds have the highest levels of ALA. ALA is actually the raw material or the precursor that the body has to convert to DHA, the consumable form. So now the question is, how much ALA is metabolized into DHA? Answer, barely 5%. Now let's come to the second point, eggs. A medium egg holds about 7 grams of protein, and chia seeds hold about 4 grams. So are they equivalent? Number that is because egg protein is the most bioavailable, i.e. the body can use it very easily. Actually, mother's milk has the most bioavailable protein, then eggs, then meat, then fish. Vegetable proteins like in chia seeds are way down on that list. I searched around a lot but couldn't uncover hard facts about how bioavailable chia seed protein really is. Chia seeds also contain vitamin E, a trace element of vitamin CB, vitamins, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. Experiments suggest that the seeds of chia are cardioprotective and will safeguard the heart, lower blood pressure, benefit the brain, and thin the blood slightly. But the best benefit of chia seeds is soluble fiber. I'll explain what I do. I add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to half a cup of water, stir, and let it sit until the gel forms. Then I take a bowl of unsweetened homemade yogurt, add some walnuts, almonds, figs, and chia seed gel. Mix them up and it is a very tasty pudding. But the real gain is in this gel. It is soluble fiber. This is great news for your gut microbiome. The good bugs in your digestive system, this gel is what they inhabit. They break it down, convert it to energy, and that energy is fuel for cells lining your large intestine. When you have inflammation in your gut or gut issues, this chia gel can be a big assistance. If you suffer from constipation, it can assist with that too. Others assert that chia seeds are full of lectins, which inflame the colon. But never fear, chia seeds contain extremely low amounts of lectins, so there is no danger. The gel is not only high in fiber, it also contains polyphenols, plant nutrients your gut microbes feed on. The major benefit is that you are feeding the little microbes who indirectly help you out. Your mood, energy, and overall health are all connected to your gut microbiome. That is why I always advise adding chia seeds to your daily diet and other foods that feed your microbes, such as fermented vegetables, vinegar, pickles, homemade yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, etc. One more tip. Do not grind chia seeds. Use them whole and soak them in water before using. The Aztecs have been doing it for centuries. It is a centuries-old superfood. That is all for the video today. Stay healthy. Take care of yourself. Thanks for watching.